So this car hasn't been washed, and today would probably make it 5 weeks. Don't judge me, okay? Your cars leave here looking amazing. Things happen. It was spring break. So I figured we're going to do a car wash video. You're going to see how I would handle a super filthy car. So, it's pollen season, or we're at the end. So this car sits outside 24/7. So it's thick with pollen, some bird poop. I've driven this car. I love driving. So there's a lot of contamination. So here we go. Now, because of how dirty this car is, I laid a really nice thick layer of foam on this car, and I'm just going to let it dwell as long as I can to loosen that dirt and debris, so that when I do a good pre-rinse, a lot of that top layer of dirt, debris in that will just rinse away. And so in my foam cannon, I went pretty heavy with soap, right? So I filled my soap up. I've got about 400 milliliters of soap, and the rest water. Listen, Dr. Swirl Killer's from the swamp, so you do the conversion there. But it is pretty nice and thick. Obviously, it's been sitting here on the finish now for 3-4 minutes. So we're going to let it sit a little longer, then we're going to rinse. Now I've got it all rinsed off. Because it's nice and early and cool, and it's been a while since I've washed this, I want to have maximum lubricity while I'm washing because of how long it's been. So I'm going to do a hybrid method. So rather than have two buckets, a bucket with soap and a bucket with a grit guard to rinse off my mitt, this is going to be my bucket of soap. So I've got another foam cannon with a different soap, and it's mixed really strong. I'm going to foam a couple of panels down and wash. So this will act as my soap bucket. And then I still have a bucket with my grit guard to rinse that mid out. All right, so I've washed it really good, rinsed it off. I used an acidic shampoo decontaminate it because it's been sitting, like I said, it's been weeks. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to do another quick wash with a pH neutral shampoo just to neutralize the surface and just give it a really good, just final deep clean. Because like I said, it's been a long time since I've cleaned this. It sits outside 24/7 at the shop or at home. So I want to get it super clean because I have the time today too. Okay, so I did that final wash and rinse. I did the hybrid method again, obviously, because I wanted maximum lubricity. I'm pretty happy with how the coating on this thing is behaving. The coating on this car is well over 5 years old. Like I said, it sits outside. Um, this deep of a wash is not necessary every single time, right? This is a wash that was necessary because it's been, like I said, 5 weeks. It's sat outside, pollen season. Um, there's I drive through construction every single day, so heavy contaminants on this car with daily driving. So this is a method, like I said, if it's been a long time since you've washed, um, you go on a trip and it needs a good wash after, this is a great method to use. So if you have any questions about washing your car or feeling lazy, you'd rather Dr. Swirl Killer do it, maybe slap some PPF and ceramic coating on it, make it easy to wash, reach out. CarolinaSFinestDetailing.com.